HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and my friend Mary Baker.
Hi.
Mary has lost
80.
She dropped 80 pounds. How long you been doing this, honey?
October of 2020.
Okay, so she's been doing it since October. And guys, this is a lifestyle. Like, that's the thing. It's not a diet. You make it a lifestyle. Do you feel like you're dieting? Be honest. Tell them what
No, I am eating better than I ever have in my life. I'm not hungry. If I get hungry at night, I will grab a fat bomb and eat it before I go to bed instead of grabbing chips or candy bars or anything else. The hardest thing for me was pasta, but the pastas here are wonderful and they help me get through.
There you go, guys. I mean, I don't know what more to say. We literally have testimony after testimony. Like, every customer that comes in has a testimony, and 1 out of 100 I get to make a video. I gotta bribe them to make a video. So come see us, guys. We're in the Davison Farmers Market every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. You can like us on Facebook, Healthy Treats Market. You can join the Healthy Treats Market support group. You can go on Healthy Treats Market on YouTube and look at over 100 videos. I've got recipes galore. I've got a recipe book on my website if you go on HealthyTreatsMarket.com. If you don't live nearby, come see us on HealthyTreatsMarket.com. You can place an order. And you, please feel free to message me anytime. I respond to all my messages. Don't tag my name, but like literally send me a private message. Thank you so much for watching, guys. God bless you.